Welcome to Jubangla. Today we will analyze the whole situation under National Education Policy. The semester-wise 4-year BA B.Sc honors with or without research, how it looks like. So first of all, focus on these subjects. We have DSCC, Discipline Specific Core Course, Minor Course. Two different minor courses are there. Interdisciplinary Course, IDC. Ability Enhancement Course, AEC. Skill Enhancement Courses, ACC. Common Value Added Course, CVSC. Summer Internship. And in the 7th and 8th semester, students have options like research or dissertations. We will discuss later. And then we will discuss about the number of course, credit per course, total credit, first sem, second sem, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. What are the subjects, what are the topics, and what are the papers they are choosing, and how marks is being calculated. Everything will be discussed in this video. Welcome to Jubangla again. If you not subscribed yet this channel, please subscribe to receive updates. A student is supposed to clear the whole semester within a span of 7 years. Before we proceed, we need to consider all these facts. That exit option after completion of 2nd, 4th or 6th semester is there, and the exam schedule approximately all the odd semester exam like 1, 3rd, 5th, 7th will occur in the month of July, and even semester 2, 4, 6, 8 will occur in the month of January, and each credit marks is 25. Now let's start our journey, how it looks like. From the first semester, we have the pattern is like 1, that is discipline course, then 1, M1, then we have IDC 1 paper, and then ability enhancement course, again 1 paper, and then SEC 1, and CVSC. In case of CVSC, they need to go through 2 papers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 papers are there in the first semester. Later we will calculate how the credit score goes with what are the total number of courses. So please be with us and watch this video till the end, so you will be totally clear of the NEP system. It's a very interesting one. And the second sem, we have one valuable course, core course, then one again same minor course, like if zoology honor students taking botany, then again they have to adapt with botany in the second sem also. Then we have another one is like IDC paper and AEC paper, another one, and then the skill enhancement course also 1 paper, and CVSC 2 papers. This is how the second sem look like. Now come to the third sem. In case of third sems, 2 core courses, that means suppose the major subject, that is the suppose zoology, physics, chemistry, whatever the honors, history, geography, taking the 2 core paper from that zones, and then again they are having different, they are starting actually different types of minor courses. Suppose zoology honors for first and second sem, they are taking botany as their minor paper. They are having physiology or chemistry in the 3rd and 4th successive stages. Okay. Then another one is IDC, AEC, ability enhancement course, 1 ability enhancement course, and another one is SEC paper. So they don't need to go through the common value added course in that case in the 3rd semester. Now come to the 4th semester. In the 4th semester session, the major course, core course is, that is the discipline specific core DSC, it is 4, and then they have to again go through another minor paper, that is the M2, and no IDC they need to go through in the 4th semester. They only need to go through the AEC paper. Okay, this is the AEC paper. And now we are having the 5th semester session. Again 4 major core courses they need to cover. Very interesting one. And now comes to most important area. They're having this particular session, so they have to complete M1, M2 Suppose zoology honors students taking M1 as botany and M2 as physiology, chemistry, whatever. So they need to one from botany and one from chemistry. Both two minor papers they need to go through in the 5th sem. In the 6th sem, they have to cover 3 major core, and again they have to cover M1 plus M2, 2 minor different papers. And this is the case for 6th. Now come to the 7th. In case of 7th and 8th, those who are having 75% score and want to enter in the world of research area, so they will have such kind of situations. In the 7th semester, they have to 4 course, and then another one is research paper. One research work, they have to complete research work within 7th and 8th semester. So first, one single research area. I mean, some of them they may prefer rather dissertation, so they have to go through dissertation. That's why we mention here or. Okay, and then here is 8th semester, only research work they need to go through. Here we are putting one for research. If they opt for, any students opt to research, then project, seminar, etc. their dissertation, so they will opt for this one, but they need to complete 2 dissertation here in contrast to or in comparison to 1 research work. This is how the situation goes with. Now we are going to enter in the most interesting area. Already we created a formula. So the total marks here, look at the total. What is the total marks here is now 0. Okay, the marks is showing here 0, and all these marks are showing here, they are all 0, all 0 figures are there. Now we are going to put input 22 total core courses students they are going to cover, and here the credit per course is a 4. So let's look the change, how it looks like. Very interestingly, total for 88 total credits, and the number goes to 2200. This is the total value of 8th semester for discipline specific core course. Now in a very interesting area, we are putting the total number of course minor for 8, and the credit per course is 4, and how it looks like. It looks like 800. Now we have 800. Then IDC total number of courses 3 and credit per 3. So how it looks like 75 marks per course and 225 the total marks. Okay. Now come to the AEC paper, 4 paper and 2 credit per. So how it looks like 200. Okay. And SEC 3 papers and we have credit per course is 4 and looks like 100. That means total value for 3 is 300. Now CVAC 4. Look at the change, how we created the formula. CVAC 4 and credit per is 2. So total value is become total credit 8 and the value goes to 200. Okay. So we started here from mark total 0. Now 3925. We have summer internship in our hand and research or dissertation in our hand. Now look at the summer internship. For every successive 2nd, 4th or 6th semester, students will get opportunity to exit from the systems. Okay. So summer internship, in case of summer internship, they are having one number of course there and the credit value is 3. As you know, for each credit we already mentioned here, marks is 25 per credit, so it looks like 75. Nice one. Now come back to the research. Research area is there 4, then it is 100. In the 8th semester, again the student is working with this one and getting these marks. If any students opt this particular research area, then they need to follow this formulation. And here in the 8th semester they have to go through 2 actually, rather 2, and it is the 4. So the total value now is 4300. Very nice one. I think we all enjoy it. Even during these sessions I also enjoy with all the students how it looks like. Very simple, very interesting. Please go through the video again and again, share this video to your friend circle so the whole situation will be clear to you. just keep attached with Zoo Bangla. We are going to explain all this area of NEP in our coming videos. Have a nice journey to all of my dear beloved students in this first semester. Thank you.